ക്യൂ ഫോർ ക്യൂസിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കേറ്ററ്റ് എക്സാമിൽ കാറ്റഗറി 3 സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസ് എന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റിൽ നിന്നും മുൻ വർഷങ്ങളിൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഹൗ മെനി മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ആർ നോമിനേറ്റഡ് ടു രാജ്യസഭ by Indian President? Options 2, 1, 6, 12. Answer 12. Question number 2. Identify the grammar text included in the Sangam literature. അകനാനൂറ്, പുറനാനൂറ്, മണിമേഖലൈ, തൊൽക്കാപ്പിയം. Answer Tolkappiyam. Question number 3. In India, the period from June to September is options: cold weather season, hot weather season, northeast monsoon season, southwest monsoon season. Answer southwest monsoon season. Next question, when did Veluthambi Delva made his Kundara proclamation? Options: 1889, 1898, 1809, 1808. Answer 1809. Next question, Karnataka leads in the production of options: tea, sugarcane, coffee, rubber. Answer coffee. Question number 6. Which among the following is a secondary sector activity in India? Options: banking, insurance, manufacturing, telecommunication. Answer manufacturing. Question number 7. Which of the following landforms is formed in a convergent margin? Options: the Himalayan mountain, Mid-Atlantic range, San Andreas fault, the Western Ghats. Answer the Himalayan mountains. Question number 8. The chairman of National Human Rights Commission in India shall be options: retired judge of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of a High Court, retired Chief Justice of a Supreme Court, retired Chief Justice of a High Court. Answer retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Question number 9. The Boxer Rebellion was held in options: England, China, Austria, Germany. Answer China. Question number 10. Product method of calculating national income is also known as options: income method, value added method, distribution method, expenditure method. Answer value added method. Question number 11. Terminal evaluation is an example of options: continuous and comprehensive evaluation, assessment of learning, assessment for learning, assessment as learning. Answer assessment of learning. Question number 12. Who proposed advanced organizer model of teaching? Options: David Paul Ausubel, Bruce Joyce, Marsha Weil, Emily Calhoun. Answer: David Paul Ausubel. Question number 13. Who defined teaching model as a pattern or plan which can be used to shape curricula? Options: Allen and Ryan, Bandura, Joyce and Weil, Ajit Singh. Answer: Joyce and Weil. Question number 14. Which software can be used effectively to show the peculiarities of a globe in Ubuntu? Options: GeoGebra, Marble, Stellarium, GIMP. Answer: Marble. Next question. A teacher asks her students to bring their ration card in the classroom and initiates a group discussion on the preparation of a family budget. What type of learning occurs in the classroom? Find the most appropriate answer. Options: individualistic learning, constructivist learning, social constructivist learning, non-associative learning. Answer: social constructivist learning. Next question. A teacher wrote a teaching manual to make the students aware of the different time zones in the world. What would be the teaching aids used by the teacher? Options: atlas, globe, maps, all the above. Answer: all of the above. Next question. Find the odd one out. A radio, tape recorder, teaching machine, epidoscope. Answer: epidoscope. Next question. Which one among the following is not a peculiarity of a learning outcome? Options: adjustable, attainable, observable, measurable. Answer: adjustable. Next question. The emotional energies are released as a safety valve through sports. What type of value is most suitable related to this? Options: leadership, cultural value, psychological value, aesthetic value. Answer: psychological value. Last question. In new history books, time-related concepts like BC and AD are changed as BCE and CE. What is the reason behind this change? Options: ideas are changed every now and then because of the ICT-related modernization, secularization of historical ideas, relation with mathematics. Answer: secularization of historical ideas. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് മുൻ വർഷങ്ങളിൽ സോഷ്യൽ സയൻസിൽ നിന്നും റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള 20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനലൊന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, ബെൽ ഐക്കണിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, കമൻറ്റുകൾ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തണം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.